everyone. I am Mahita Ranjit. I am the author of the series Apprenons le Français as well as AILS, then the Entre-Jeunes workbooks, and also Together with French for the 10th standard.
This series of Apprenons le Français can be used in CBSE schools, ICSE schools, and also in the state board schools. French is the second most widely learned foreign language after English, and it is the fifth most widely spoken language in the world.
So the series Apprenons le Français is a series of 5 parts. We start with the 0 part, which is for students who have want to start learning French in the 4th standard. And it's a beginner's book. It is a very simple book, keeping in mind the level of the student. Then the first part of the book is also a beginner's book, because many schools start learning French only from the 5th standard. So it is for those students who are learning French, beginning French in the 5th standard. Then we go up to the 2nd, 3rd and 4th part, which is finally completed by the student reaches the 8th standard. So this book is suited for all students learning French, not only as a 3rd language but also as a beginner level books for French learning. We have been revising the books every 2 to 3 years, and we always try to keep the book at par with the CBSE syllabi and also with the various aspects of France. We also keep in mind the various inputs we get in from various parts of the globe, especially from teachers. So now let us talk about the USP of the books. The main feature that we added now is called Découvrons, which we have added at regular intervals in the book. It is a page on the culture and civilization of France. This page, Découvrons, lets the student gather information about the various culture and civilization of France, and so that not to burden the students with extra grammar and language right from the beginning, which they have not yet learnt, we have used English as the medium of introducing this page, Découvrons. To make the book even more interesting, we have made it colorful with lots of pictures for the students. Like you can see on this page, for the introduction of the subject pronouns, we have used these characters, Disney cartoon characters, so the children can associate with it and would make learning much more fun. Learning the gender always causes a great problem to the students, so we have even color coordinated the pages to show the masculine and feminine gender. Not only for articles but for other things also, like nationalities and also for adjectives. After each lesson, we have provided a lot of exercises for students. So these exercises can be done in the textbook, and also besides these textbook exercises, we have provided them with workbooks, and which has a lot of plenty of exercises concerning the same topic of grammar. Besides this, we also have some interesting exercises which the students have to use the autocollants or stickers provided in the textbook and the workbook. The children have to pull out these stickers and use it in the exercises at the appropriate places. We have provided many French rhymes, nursery rhymes in the books, so that the students enjoy the language and learn to sing some of the popular rhymes in France. We have also updated all the maps of France. Earlier, before 2016, there were 22 metropolitan regions in France, but of late it has been changed to the 13 regions. So you would find that our book is updated with the latest metropolitan regions. Every book begins with a 0 chapter, which is basically on the culture and civilization of France, and we have made it in a very simple manner by highlighting the main topics to make it more interesting and easy for the students to understand and remember these aspects. We are also providing the teacher's manual for each part of the book. from 0 to 4, we have the teacher's manual. In the teacher's manual, besides the explanation of the various lessons, topics, and also the solutions to the exercises, we have also provided extra activities which you could use in the class. As for the support material, we already spoke about the teacher's manual. Besides that, we also have the e-portal where students can see the various audio and animated part of the books. We also have educational games, reference links and worksheets. There is also a test generator, listening tasks and interactive activities. Besides all this, we also have a pull-out worksheet provided with each book in which you have classroom activities for the students. Now we come to the Apprenons le Français portfolio, which is provided with each part of the book. We have a lesson-wise self-analysis worksheet in depth so that the students can conclude if they have really understood the subject and the grammar which they have learned. Learning a foreign language is not just to pass an internal school exam, but it is very useful in life. You can use it not only in school, but also when you go abroad for your higher studies. Knowing a foreign language has its own advantages. Learning French also helps you in the international job market. You could also it opens up the portals for not only getting a job easily in French companies in France, but also companies which are in India. It can also open up the portal for cross-culture learning. We could also learn and understand the culture and civilization of another country, and especially when we go out into the world, it is a good medium of communication.